Roads life and maintenance. Life of road. Life of water-based macadam and bitumen roads depends on intensity and nature of traffic, bearing capacity of subgrade soil, climatic condition, degree of maintenance. Faults of bitumen road. 1. Bleeding. It is exudation as a liquid of some of the binding material from surface layer. 2. Scabbing. It is dislodgement of cover aggregates due to insufficient binder to hold the aggregates. 3. Poor bonding. Poor adhesion to the road surface, which ultimately leads to the formation of potholes. 4. Cracking. It happens due to instability of base. 5. Corrugations. It happens due to subsoil or foundation movement. 6. Waving. It happens due to excessive binder or very smooth surface of subgrade which is allowing road surface to slide. Failures versus material quality. Bitumen grade, tar type, if selected too hard or too soft bitumen. Binder, incorrect quantity of binder used. Proportioning, incorrect proportioning of aggregates resulting in too dense or open mix. Cracks, happens at poorly treated joints. Overheating, due to this binder may loose volatile oils and result in lack of cohesion and develop brittleness. Quality control, drainage, and water control. Surface drainage, the removal and diversion of water from road surface. Increases life of the road surface. The control of the moisture content of subgrade is an essential feature of good road. In majority of conditions or cases, saturation of the roadbed can be prevented by providing longitudinal ditches of sufficient depth.